I'm almost done.
What? Can I have you undo it and do it again?
Hey guys, today we're installing this ILM brace for the rear of the MC. This brace basically adds extra rigidity to the rear of the car. So it ties the center X brace underneath the car to the rear subframe. It basically adds more rigidity. You're gonna get more traction in the rear, and the overall chassis will be a lot more rigid. This thing actually is really light too, so it doesn't add a whole lot of weight. You take off these two bolts, and then you basically like go over the existing brace from the factory. And then on the front, if there are two bolts, you kind of just slide this new brace onto the factory X brace, and that's about it. There's only 6 bolts. The rear 4 bolts, I'm gonna do 60 foot-pound.
Alright, we done. That's it. Super simple. It's like a 15-30 minute install right here. So essentially it ties the middle half of the car all the way to the rear end of the car. And from the left side to the right side. Looks pretty hefty. And there's already factory bolt holes in place. You just take off the bolts that were already in place, put this thing on, and then just re-bolt it back up. Simple. Unless your chassis is fucked up and twisted, then I don't know what to tell you. Any last words, Tommy?
Yeah, it's good. Very easy to install. Everything just bolts up. That also means either my chassis is not twisted, or the frame is all twisted and my chassis is twisted. That's like all lined up. Either way.
What a coincidence.
Yeah, hopefully the mid pipe doesn't cause an issue. It is a little tight, but I think this brace is made for the factory mid pipe, and I do have a factory mid pipe. Hopefully it won't rattle, or else it'll be really annoying. If anything, it will cause its rear itself. Hopefully this brace will tie the rear, kind of like the subframe control arms and all that, to the center of the car. Basically, it triangulates it, more rigidity. Hopefully, adds more traction, more planted, less squeak. Yeah, we'll see how it goes on the track, on the street. Thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe.